Okay guys, I got some food from upstairs that I'm going to put into the fridge because the fridge is officially cooling, which means I'm officially moving in. First of all, we have some dog food. I just grabbed some old food that we had upstairs. They're always so loud. You don't know, this neighborhood is always loud. That was already open, some dog food, which will take 50% of the fridge capacity. Lately I've been noticing that I've been eating way less. Not less, just more conscious. And I don't overeat myself that often as I used to do. If you know what I'm talking about. So every time after you overeat, you don't even feel that good about it. You actually feel bad about it. It's just for the moment when you're like, oh, the food is so good. Okay, we have an eggplant. I love eggplants. It's my favorite veggie. Cucumber, some tomato, so many carrots. I normally don't even eat that much carrot. Can you imagine? It's gonna be my first night in the van again. After all these times, I am so nervous somehow. And it really reminds me like back in the days when I just left here. Okay, that was the police. I'm not standing properly here. So I basically just have veggies in here right now. I bet I don't even feel like cooking tonight. So I'm just gonna eat something out. Because it's already 5-ish. And I still want to get to meet one of my friends before I drive. She has become a very, very good friend. And I got really attached to her actually. Maybe it's the Virgo-Scorpio combination, but it just really fits. Okay, the fridge is full and it's keeping up and running. Got a sweet Asian chick, she got her own name. What? Oh my god, these are all my neighbors. You know, I really forgot my buddies. I really missed you guys. I'm not gonna sleep here, but there were so many times when I just parked in between. Wow. Sorry. I ate sardines with garlic today and it just came up. I'm trying to close the windows. It's the first night in the van. I am a little bit not scared. I'm parked at like in the middle of nowhere and it's very, very dark and I just can't close that window for some reason. It's sort of scary because I've been hearing some duck noises, I think, from the outside. I drove so much today. I drove like 4 hours non-stop and oh, I feel exhausted. It's already 1:30 a.m. and we both want to just go to bed. And I even forgot to bring my toothbrush, which is the worst thing. I forgot it at home today. I brought everything, just not my toothbrush. I'm still struggling with this. How? Just let me close it. Come on. Okay, I closed one side. I'm just gonna close the curtains, so I'll fix it tomorrow in the morning. I just can't do it no more tonight. So I am currently in Bremen in Germany. I wish I had my toothbrush. Nothing. How do I do that? Maybe I'll just brush it with toothpaste if I can find something. Oh my lord! Look at this. Okay, I have toothpaste. Yes, Benya, I have toothpaste. I have toothpaste. I have toothpaste. Look at your paw. What is the ew? What is that? Ew. We gotta wipe your legs because this is not gonna go to my bed. Putjen. Guys, I cleaned up and I found a toothbrush inside of the van. I am so happy. Now let me show you now how I'm going to brush my teeth with my new Berkey water system. So I know it's probably too dark for you to see anything. This is the water filter system where I've put the Berkey, and it's all fresh water, right? So we're just gonna get some of this. Oh wow, it's working like perfect. Oh my god, I love this new system. I really do. I couldn't be happier right now, to be honest, because I knew I forgot something today while I was at home packing stuff up, and you always do forget stuff. It's like that. You always have a feeling that you forgot something, and it's true. I love brushing my teeth. It's the best feeling in the world. It's nice to be in my van again. I do have to probably get a bit used to my routines and so, but I need more. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Okay? I'm gonna go to sleep now. Bye. I don't even know why I put myself in front of the camera. Always when I wake up, everybody makes themselves a little bit prettier. The first night, oh, was a little bit rough. It's already 9 a.m. and I fell asleep at 3. The conditions to fall asleep was really nice. It was not too hot and not too cold, but it was definitely still a bit weird because I had to get used to it. And even yesterday night I was like not scared, but I came here to like a dark woody surrounding, and the first feeling was like, whew, it's been a while ago. And normally I would just be open with my door and I'm like super spread out. But yesterday I was a bit more conscious for some reason. Yeah, today I woke up with his crying because Mr. Gypsy Peño is just waiting for me to open the door, and normally he would be asleep with me still in the bed till I don't know how long, till I wake up. Luckily I'm like a chameleon. I just need like a day or two to get used to it and then I'll be good to go again. So I'll see you in a bit. I'll get ready. I know you always say that you're alright, but then you wanna talk on the low. And if you wanna beg, baby, we can hit the rooftop alone. And let me make you smile, baby, all night. Hey y'all, what's poppin', guys? I'm so sorry I haven't filmed the last couple of first 2 days when I was back in the van again. Oh, I forgot my cover. I always do. So I am currently in Denmark now. I just arrived yesterday. It was very nice to be back in a van again, and I'm here for a TV show that we're gonna film for German TV about, you know, vans and me testing vans. So it's my first time actually going to a Danish grocery store. I'm super excited. I feel like people don't even have to wear a mask here, I guess, because I'm not seeing anybody wearing a mask. But it's my first time here, so I'm super excited. Yeah, check it out.
Where are you from?
Yeah, Germany.
From Germany?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, so friendly. So we are close to that area. Let me not lie. I don't know where we are exactly. And I can't even read the signs as well. But we are here. And this is the grocery store. I don't really know anything about the prices and how much that is in euro. Because I thought they had euro, but obviously they don't have it. Yeah, I just wanted to buy some water maybe and some fruit or veggies. As you know, I love going to grocery stores from different countries, so I just like to check out what they have. But I can definitely see that it is pretty same, really, I think. I am actually really impressed or confused because this is the only country yet so far that I see that people are not wearing masks in grocery stores. And I even got mine because I already thought we had to. We have about 40 minutes till we arrive. I feel really like I'm traveling again. It's so long ago. It used to be so natural for me, but the past 6 months when I wasn't traveling at all, it's so exciting to be back and to travel and see new things, especially when you just go to a country and just can't read nothing, you don't understand nothing. I love that feeling. Okay. I wanted to buy water and I came back without water. When I was crossing the borders from Germany to Denmark, there was like a police officer just checking on my passport and just checking on some stuff. And I looked at him and was like, oh my god, he looks like a Viking. And I was thinking like, oh, hi Ragnar, hi Björn. I was like, okay. It's like, hey officers. There is something about Vikings you can't explain. I'm not talking about the beard, but that attitude. If you know what I mean. And I'm heading now to a campground. It's the first time I'm ever going to stay on a campground, but it's because for the job, you know. And although it's my first time, I think it's gonna be okay because, you know, I know there's some luxury. You have like a shower, electricity eventually, and just some stuff to do. But for me, that is not van life. Van life, going to a camping ground, maybe if you just do it once in a while because you need electricity or you need something. But any other than that, I don't really get the feeling of adventure if you go to a campsite. It's just not my kind of thing. Within the whole 2 years I was traveling, I think I only went once ever on a camping ground. Because then what's the point if you have to pay 30 euro but you have a home? Then you can immediately just pay 50 euro for a room in the city. What's the point, right? So you want to save money, so you just don't go to a campsite to spend money unless you really need it. That's my opinion.
You know that we can do it every weekend, but you just won't talk on the low. In your father's red 964.
We are on set right now. Hey guys, I am on this beautiful, beautiful beach in Denmark because we're gonna shoot here. But obviously, as you see with my lug, yeah, this is exactly what happened again. I am already this time a bit more prepared with this thing and I hope it's gonna work. So let's dig it out and see if it works. This is not the first time and there's a lot of people, so even if something happens, I have a towing rope.
The day we tend to go. I think you notice I talk too much when you got it.
The 2 holes, I was stuck there. And I got myself out with this basically. Which is so good because I bought it in Scotland for snow, but it actually works in the sand too. I've never parked on the sand next to the beach. I never did, and that just looks amazing. Look at the scenery in the back. And Penya's having so much fun too. Penya!
I'm waking up like a stupid dad, like I lost my mind, need you all the time, sweet paradise. I know you always say that you're alright, but then you wanna talk on the low. And if you wanna break, baby, we can hit the rooftop alone. And let me make you smile, baby, all night. Fuck around, maybe get stoned. You know that we can do it every weekend. You just wanna talk on the low, on the low.
We're still at the campsite, but one thing that is amazing is I got this electricity cable from outside, you know, where you have those stands. So I am with those guys here And yeah, this is the cable somewhere connected here. We filmed something for German TV, and I hope once it's out I'll show you. It's German, but eventually I can translate it for you. It's just we are just testing kind of vans because we are van lifers, so we have more knowledge. So we're testing different vans and test how good they are. I'm gonna have some champagne now because I deserve it. Period.
You